manghablo. Lapu-lapu. Ne. Hi, welcome to Barangay Marigondon. Ayan guys, impronto kini ha. We are going to Sisilix. Uy, grabe oh. Sila ikuan gusto. Night market. Oh, diba? Time check. Guys, medyo traffic guys, pero okay lang kayo. Yan eh, oh, chiki, oh, it's lechon belly o manok. Kani? Yun guys. Zaril Commercial Center. Oh. We are here at Lapu-Lapu, Bagu, Starland. Parintahan. Mitsubishi Motors. Marigondon. Lapu-Lapu. Pacific Grand Villa. Ah. So guys, ewan ko kung saan na to. It's another villa. So let's go inside. Ay, kana, mga bay. Or lahi ko na. Ah, lahi din na. It's different. Current villa. Look, dako lagi nila. Kaysa dito. Sa white sand. Ah. Nadin nyo sila. Terawin na. Mabalay. Oh, nindutam day ni din hiyo. Kaysa dito. Wow, dakuha guys. This is huge villa guys. Unsa to? Grand Pacific Villa. Wow. Wow, mas kuani din siya guys. Oh. Oh. Nandakuha kaayo guys, luag. Nani kuan din ni Papul. Naa. Kuha guys. Wow, this is so big villa guys. Villa. It's a subdivision. Oh, Grand Pacific Villa. Yan.
May swimming pool dia.
Naaray na swimming pool dito. Oh. Guys, swimming pool. Grabe. Kuan, I noticed here their house is so big guys. So mga mayayaman gadyon ni din here. Oh. Oh. Mayaman. For sale man kahapon tong balay niya tiruin na. Asa man dapit? Ay guys, ay for sale na house day guys. Kani. This is for sale. I don't know how much. Ayan oh. 10 million? Ayan, 10 million day guys. Ha? 10 million eh? Anak ko ka magkacho? Ha?
Lagi na auto.
Ay, oh ma'am na dyan isak dyan. Guys, 10 million guys. Tama guys. This is the house of my friend of my uncle, Tito. Ayan, 10 million. This is huge. Wow. Very huge. So it's located in Grand Pacific Villa guys. If you are interested, just email me so I can ask my Tito. Naku, akadyo pa? Kane? Oh, that's the land of my tita before guys. This one, this area. But she already sailed it. Daku po. Eh? Wow guys, so more house guys. Nice diri guys, Grand Pacific Villa. Oh, grabe ninduta. Pero ako nangarapan ng mga dagko-dagko pa. Guys, dako ba dyan siya guys? So big guys, so 10 million guys. That's different guys ha. That's not my tita guys. It's not my tita's house. So, this is the entrance, guys. So, ay, di pa day entrance, guys. This is not entrance day, guys. Kuan pa day ni inside the villa pa day ni, guys. Village na park talaga, guys. Park. Paano po nila?
Yo.
Ako, bitod. Hala, pag caretaker og lain.
Sa tila bagay siya magkapahimon.
Guys, dadatas tulay, guys. Sisi Lakes. Ayan. Padong na ni sa Cordova pa.
Hey, bayo na siya kwan.
Asa man?
Sa SMC side.
Ah, isip side. Okay. Zalit, panik ra tayo no. Oo.
Sa SM sa balik.
Ah, okay.
8.9 kilometers ni.
10 point?
8.9.
Ah, wow. Tanawa, guys. Enjoy, guys.
Katasun sa Manigo, dubli-dubli ho din eh.
Wow.
2.5 naman na sa Manigo, din eh. 8.9.
Wow. Ah, kay barato-barato pamuntong sa San Juanico. Pero taas ni Kadzo, no?
Punta siya, 8 eh.
Aw!
8 kilometers.
Oo.
Ang San Manigo, 2.5 na to.
Oo.
Taas eh.
This is very long bridge, guys. Ayan. Enjoy smooth travel. Use Sisi Lakes RFID. Uy, naibayad. Naibayad na eh. Naibayad na eh.
Dahil ko din.
Naigatag? Ah. Ayan, guys. Yay! Ayan, guys. Mura nag sa Manila, guys. Na RFID. Ayan. Tignan nyo, guys. Cash or RFID. Ayan. Yay! Sisi Lakes. Ayan. Bagong bridge. Ayan na, guys. This is how it's looking here in Sisi Lakes. Ayan. I don't know how much magkano. How much? 69. Sure pa, di ako pa.
Huwag na na.
60 pesos, guys. Ayan. Plus total fare. Ayan. Stiga nagmotor, oh. Nastig na yung naka-complete gear.
Hindi mo rin po i-authorize sa motor.
Ah,
Hindi na plane.
oo.
Hindi ako kapitback yung niya.
Oo. Ate, kasi. Oo. Oo. Uy. Wala, guys. Ano na sa pili? Oh, lahi ko. Lahi. Ah, lahi.
Sulangan balagawan eh. Sulangan balagawan.
Ay, mama. Oo, guys. Sinulangan balagawan. pronto guys, ay pronto. Ayan. Alam mo dyan, ano yun, no? Adyo, adyo.
Nagawan nila.
Oh, wow. That's the Cebu City na guys. It's a big pillar. It's a big pillar, guys. Very big, huge pillar. Look, that's a pillar, guys. Puste. Ayan, grabe. Diyan gibutangan dahil nila lights para nindot. Oh, ang kable dahil na siya, guys. Metal. That metal, guys, that the one hold to the bridge, guys. Ayan. I thought na design ra na siya, di man na design. Mao ni naghawid, naghatag og kuan, kusog. Uy, tuag no star. No star right there kayo. Guys, so tuara, shout out to Mike. Ang casino ninja ni Mike, Gladys. Shout out sa mga friends na mga fam na hilig mag-casino. Ayan. Actually guys, there is a casino here in Cebu, in New Star building or hotel. Look, wow! Today is March 6. Ayan, nindot ta guys, so nindot kayo guys. Awa guys. Awa guys. Oh, puro bahay na. Oh, grabe, oh. Wow. Oh, bitaw. Oh, hala. Grabe, oh, tubig mo sa gilid, guys, oh. Wow. Grabe, guys, oh. Ay, port, mana.
Fishing. Nada mo isda. Ada din.
Ayan guys. Ayan. Actually gikat ra ni naho guys sa kay puno atong kuan cellphone harang gi-stop. Then continue para upload ayon. Ayan guys. New Star. New Star dito guys. So, saan naman ay butang road? Saan naman ay? South Road Properties. Ah, sa South na dahil guys. Guys. Wow. South Road Properties. Lami tayo dun guys. Nagsakyanan din adlaw. Pero gabi makita nyo manindot po sa lights. Wow. South Road. Ayan. libot trata guys, mulibot. Wow! Ay, makuan di ay ang Blue Star na to, makita di ay oh. Oh. Ay, di ay SM Seaside. Oh wow, what a surprise guys. SM Seaside. Wow! Look. Ay, SM Seaside. See? Oh, see? Wow. I feel like I'm in the, ano guys, I am in Manila. SM Seaside. Look, it's so huge. Like in MOA. Wow. Uy, naka-remember mo ko ni may back 2013. Juta pa ni Dini. Oh guys, I think this is very huge guys. Huge SM here in Cebu. Look, oh. Oh. I didn't stop the video guys. I cut the videos. Oh, tawa. Oh. Taas, dako. It's so huge. Mura sa jag MOA pa no. Dako kayo. Ha? Dako pa ni sa MOA? Ah. Wow, this is so huge than the MOA guys. This is big than MOA. Oh, this is bigger than MOA. So we will just turn guys. Ayan, thank you so much to my tito because he take me here guys. Ano, niluta guys oh. Ayan. Mo na yung gigon guys, no hatred at all. Kasi wata kasabot sa itong kinabuhi. Just enjoy. Ano, oh guys, so big, huge. OMG. Wow, it's MC side. Mura kog na sa Manila guys. Oh, di ba? Grabe. It's so huge. Wow. Hala. Ay, unsa naman po ni Ocean? Ay, man ni Ocean Park?
Oh.
Close ra di ay guys. Ang Ocean Park, it's very close to SMC side. Right there guys, oh. Very close. Look. That's the Ocean Park. Anyway, look, oh, diba? See? Oh, diyan na ta, SM Seaside, Cebu City. Welcome! Oh, diba? I am here, guys. So, right dito. Oh, diba? Oh, more afam out there. No more afam? Oh, shout out sa mga afam. Ay, may bus. Sila shuttle. Oh. So naman eh. Ano ka ba? Lusot? Ayun na! Diretso na pa. Ha? Sa mall? Ayun na! Ayun na! Okay na! Balik na kukuhod! Oo. Tulig na kukuhod! Ayun na pa! 32. Ayun na, okay na. This is the park guys, oh, park. Parking area. Yan guys, nandito na tayo. Actually, my tito, he wants me to go upstairs but dili sa ta guys because I'm still working. I'm enjoying na outside. Yan, nindota guys. Oh, this is remind me in MOA. Yan guys. Kaning syudad guys, nindot ranig kanang panagsa pero madugay na gani. Purol na pod. Sabi nagmatiguwang na ta. Ayan, nindot ta guys. So, you will see, it's more afam out there. Ayun. More afam. Ay, dili man ta ganina. Nakap naman the shuttle. here, Nike store. Ambot sa Newtown pa na ba kuan diha kanang Nike store, Nike sapatos ba, sapatos ano, Newtown. Sabado lang, Sabado na kumadto. Okay, nakoy kuan ba sa tawag ani? Guys, buyers. Ayan. Dili sa kurta. Kana Sabado na katuod naman ko sa Newtown.
Ang original patos ko doon sa Atura.
Ano sa man?
Pag-uri ko, outlet.
Ato? Okay?
Ha?
Okay?
Hindi okay.
Asa man?
Tindahan ninyo.
Asa man?
Dito sa Grand Mall.
Sa?
Grand Mall.
Nike dito?
Wow.
Ay, ahong tanawon ko day.
Labay ka lang.
Pero guys, inigkakuan ako, Sabado sa kuan.
Labay.
So, a new star guys. Bye, new star. So guys, let's go back. So, ayan. Thank you so much if you are still watching this video guys until here. So, thank you. So, this is how it's looking. The seasonings going to... Actually, this trip is from White Sand to Lapu-Lapu to SMC side. So, thank you so much guys. And give me thumbs up. Don't forget to leave some comments if you have any questions. So, yeah, thank you. And we will be go back home in the province this coming March 8 guys. So, if you are still here in Lapu-Lapu, you can meet me guys. Message in my email. Thank you. And thank you so much to my tito.